I just got an email, someone wrote in, should I start an Amazon affiliate site? It seems like there are so many out there and everyone's talking about Amazon affiliate sites. Is it even worth it for me to get started? And to be honest with you, you could substitute in just about any business model you want. Should I try Amazon Kindle publishing? Should I try Fulfilled by Amazon? What about retail arbitrage? What about drop shipping? Maybe I should start a Shopify store and do drop shipping. Maybe I should open a restaurant, or I love brewing beer. Maybe I should open a brewery. There's tons of competition for every single one of the business models that you may be thinking that you want to get started in. The truth is, you may not even realize it, but any one of those business models can work. All of them are competitive. All of them have lots of people already started, experienced folks that have been doing it for years, and they're already ahead of you. That's the truth. Any one of those business models will work fantastically. Let me rewind for a second. Back in 2013, I didn't know anything about marketing or making money online. In fact, when I found Smart Passive Income, the podcast by Pat Flynn, it was like the first time I heard about any of these things, niche sites or whatever. And back then in 2013, there were lots of sites already in any of the niches that I even thought about getting into. Even then in 2013, which was not even that long ago, people were saying niche sites are dead, there's too much competition, and internet marketing seems to be on a downturn. Anything worthwhile is going to have competition. That's just the way it is, because it is indeed worthwhile. You can start just about anything from scratch and grow and learn and do really well. And you could actually grow faster than your competition. But you can start from scratch in any of these areas, any of these business models, and grow fast starting from nothing. It can be done. There are literally, dozens of examples in many different fields where people have started and they grew fast and they were successful. And these are in really competitive markets and channels and platforms. There are examples on YouTube, podcast, on Instagram, internet marketing blogs, or Amazon affiliate sites. And people start something and they knock it out of the park and they do a great job. Back to the point, should you start an Amazon affiliate site? If you're interested in the business model, then absolutely yes. You should start a site. If you're brand new, you're probably gonna make some mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. I made dozens of mistakes myself, but the key is try not to make the same mistakes again, try to learn from the mistakes and continue to move forward and improve. That is the goal. Keep moving forward and improve. One thing I'll caution you on is I mentioned several different business models. Here's what won't work. If you try Amazon affiliate marketing for, a month or 6 weeks, and then you move over to drop shipping, and then you move over to starting a podcast, and then you try and do a YouTube channel, or even worse, if you try and do all this stuff at the same time, you'll probably make very little progress in each one of them. You'll probably get frustrated, and instead of making a mistake in one area and then learning from it and not making the mistake again, you'll make, a mistake in YouTube. You'll make a mistake on your podcast. You'll make a mistake in internet marketing, and you'll be frustrated because you're just making mistakes and realizing it without being able to take advantage of the knowledge that you gain by learning from your mistakes. So don't try too much at once. Pick a business model and stick with it for a certain amount of time, keeping in mind that you're gonna make mistakes and it's okay. Just don't make the same one twice if you can avoid it. So another way to say this is pick one, focus on the one that you're really interested in, and stick with it until you get through a project cycle or a growth cycle and really understand what you're doing. What I'm really saying is you need to pick something and focus on it. Don't skip around too much. You need to, I don't know how long you need to spend on it. Everything has a different project cycle and life expectancy. So you need to pick the right amount of time to spend on it. But the main point is you should pick something and stick with it until you have, completed something. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you are going to get started on. Do you already have a Amazon affiliate site out there, or are you thinking of starting one? And I'm interested in the comments to see if people are on the fence or if you've taken action and you actually got started. And if you need some encouragement, let us know in the comments below. When you're just getting started, it can be a little frustrating. And I know once you get past those first few hurdles, it's really motivating, you know, when you start getting a little traffic to your site. And us in the comments, we can provide encouragement if you are just getting started and you need a little push and a little motivation. If you want more information about starting an Amazon affiliate site, check out nichesiteproject.com and you can learn, you know, the whole process. I'll place a link below. I'm Doug Cunnington. If you like this video, please like it. And if you're interested in more stuff on the channel, have a look around, consider subscribing. Thanks.